Hello everyone, how to change multiple column weight in Excel. So let's start this in my Excel, and here simply select the column, just select the one column, then drag with the mouse and select the other columns. Okay, after that go to the home tab in cells group, click on the formats option, and here the column width option available. Just click on it and you can just enter the column width and click on OK. You can see the column width is changed. Okay, the second way, simply right click on here and click on the column width option, and you can change here also. So I enter here 24. See the changes in column width. And the third way, you just drag with the mouse and set only, just select the one column, and you can see the width changes 12.29. You just drag and just leave it. That's it. You can see the all selected columns weight it changed. Okay, so hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.